Hey everyone, this week I want to try something new and include a quick video to walk you through what's new in the community, in the Saent community this week. So we have two articles. One is this article about how to make good presentation slides. It's based on something I learned in my previous role, working together with designer Donald Chang and some other people on the team there. It was a 300 people company. We did lots of presentations, and I've basically packaged in this article the kind of process we worked out for creating good presentations. So if you ever need to make presentations, you want to check this out probably. Another thing I did was I kind of refreshed a little bit an older article on the blog, which is called Consistency is the Key to Lasting Behavior Change. And I made a few updates to make it more readable, so you can find it on the Saent blog, and I talk about some of the changes I made in my life and how they build on each other, with one of the biggest ones being completely giving up drinking alcohol. And this is back in, when was it? 2014, so it's a long time ago. So it's quite a nice read if you haven't read it before. You might want to check it out. And the last thing is, here it's still in a Google Doc, but this is going to be live by the time you'll see this video and get the email update. It's an update on what we're doing for Lifeline's UX. It also includes a short poll asking you which use case you recognize yourself in. So this is for our app that we have on Mac OS, a Pomodoro app currently. And you see some early wireframes and screen designs. So yeah, check it out, and hope to hear from you in the poll. And see you around in the community. Thanks, bye-bye.